Hello guys, welcome back. We are going to unboxing today one more part for Maruti Suzuki genuine part. This is body control module for Suzuki Swift Desire. One, two, three coupler here and three coupler another side. This is fitting inside for fuse box. For latest model like 2020 till now for Swift Desire, push button smart key. So same part number, same body control module, fitting also mechanical key for Swift Desire, others country. So this is the part number, you can see here 3677554 TE1, model number K7 2R0, BCM ID B7 2R30, made in India, Continental for brand. This is latest model, body control module BCM. Sometime we are facing lost case like car lost case for key, so also need to replace this part for body control module BCM.